Good morning, class. Welcome to Science PT School. This is your science class, and in previous class we have already completed chapter number two, that is work and energy. So today we are going to start with the question and answer. So all the students are requested to take out page number 28. Look at the question number one. Write detailed answers. So all the answers should be in a detailed form. So you have to explain in your own words. Either you can explain it in your own words, or either you can just note it down from your video. First question is explain the difference between potential energy and the kinetic energy. So you all know that what is potential energy and what is kinetic energy. Potential energy are those energy which is stored in the body which like uh, the stored energy in the body, that is called potential energy, and the energy which like develops in the moving body, that is called kinetic energy. Okay, but you don't have to write only in the like one liner answer. You have to write a like detailed answer. So you will write like this: one, make a two column potential energy and one is for the kinetic energy. First, the potential energy it is possessed by a body by virtue of its configuration and position. It is possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. Okay, kinetic is energy totally depends on the motion of the body. Like if the body is moving with the largest more velocity, they have more kinetic energy. If the body is moving with the less velocity, it will have a kinetic energy. In the same way, potential energy different is depends on its position and configuration. For example, if the body is more wide, it has more potential energy. बहुत ज़्यादा mass है, बहुत बड़ा wider है, so it has a more potential energy, that is configuration. Position is if the body is on the long height, it's also depends upon the height. Like if the body is on the long height, it has more potential energy. If it is on this difference of a small height, it has a less energy. So it is known as that potential energy totally depend on in configuration and position. Now example has been given for both of them. First, a book kept on the shelf has a potential energy. A moving car possesses kinetic energy. Okay, because the car is moving, so it possesses kinetic energy. While book kept on the shelf is also having some type of energy stored in it, that is called potential energy. Okay. Now come to the question number B. Derive the formula for the kinetic energy of an object of mass m moving with the velocity v. Now you have to derive here the formula of kinetic energy. We also did this in a class also. When I was explaining the chapter, then also we derived the formula of kinetic energy. But the same thing we are going to do here. Let the what what the elements has been given in the question is like the body is moving with the velocity v and mass of the object is m. So you have been given with these two element. Now let the initial velocity of the object be u. You always know that there is if there is two types of velocity. One is initial velocity and one is final velocity. So let the initial velocity be u. Let an external force be applied on it so that it gets displaced by distance on it and its velocity becomes v, that is given in your book. ओके, तो अभी एक्सटर्नल फोर्स यहाँ पे हमें नहीं पता है, तो एफ लेते हैं. इन दिस सिनेरियो द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द मूविंग बॉडी इक्वल टू द वर्क दैट वाज रिक्वायर्ड टू चेंज इट्स वेलोसिटी. अभी इस केस में काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होगा? जो वर्क हमने किया है उस बॉडी को मूव करने के लिए, उसके अपने इनिशियल वेलोसिटी से मतलब पहले पोजीशन से दूसरे डिस्प्लेसमेंट अकर्स करवाने के लिए जो हमने वर्क और द फोर्स हमने उस पर अप्लाई किया, that will be its kinetic energy. Okay, thus we have the velocity position relation as v square is equal to u square plus 2as. We all know about this equation कि यहाँ पे एक equation होता है v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now why we have taken this? Because v has been given you as we have taken, and s is a displacement occurs, or s is equal to v square minus 2 u square by 2a. Okay, Now, where a is the acceleration of the body during the change in its velocity. Now, the work done on the body by the external force is given by, अब work done का क्या है? Work done का formula है W is equal to F into S. Now, work जो है उस पे क्या किया गया है? That we don't know. That we have to find out. And F is the some force which is applied on the body, and S, that displacement occurs in the that body. F is equal to ma. We all know that F is also is equal to ma. So from the equation we will put the both the formula ma and s की formula ये थी v square minus u square plus 2a. When you will solve this, you will get this formula, half is equal to mv square minus u square. If the body was initially at rest, अगर body अगर rest में था पहले, तो u तो zero हो जाएगा, then work will equal to half mv square. And since the kinetic energy is equal to work done on the body to the change in its velocity from 0 to v, we obtain kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So work done is equal to kinetic energy as the body was in the rest, and after that some motion like velocity has been changed, तो इस केस में kinetic energy work done के equal हो जाएगा. So that's why kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So in this way you can derive your kinetic energy formula. This we also have done in the class, like when we are discussing with the chapter. So you can take from it, that video also. You can just write it from the here also. Now question number C, prove that the kinetic energy of a freely falling object on reaching the ground is nothing but the transformation of its initial potential energy. अभी आपको प्रूव करना है कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी जो किसी भी बॉडी को जो फ्रीली मूविंग फॉलिंग ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन रीचिंग द ग्राउंड इज नथिंग नथिंग बट द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ इनिशियल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. अभी आपको ये क्या बोला जाता है कि लाइक व्हेन द बॉडी इज केप्ट ऑन द हाइट, इट हैज सम एनर्जी इन इट दैट इज कॉल्ड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. बट व्हेन इट फॉल्स ऑन द ग्राउंड, देन इट इज नोन एज दैट जो बॉडी के अंदर वो एनर्जी होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी. So now you have to prove that that kinetic energy is nothing. It's the same as the conversion of that potential energy into the kinetic energy. Or you have to prove that that potential energy is equal to that kinetic energy of the freely falling body. Okay. So see how we can prove it. Let the object be at a point A height, okay, above the surface of the earth as shown in figure below. सो यू कैन सी समझ लो, सपोज कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ ए पे रखा हुआ है, ओके, ए हाइट पे रखी हुई है, ओके, द हाइट हाइट इज ए, ओके, पॉइंट ए एंड दैट इज हाइट इज एच. एच हमने एक हाइट लिया है, जिस हाइट पे वो ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ है, ओके. नाउ यू विल सी, okay, we all know that what is potential energy is the mgh. हमने ये फॉर्मूला निकाला था, mgh, k is equal to mgh. So you will see here direction of motion, v initially वो रेस्ट पे था, then v1 वेलोसिटी से वो मूव किया, एंड विद ग्राउंड वो v वेलोसिटी से ग्राउंड में पे गिरा. सो k इज इक्वल टू mgh. यहाँ पे u यहाँ पे जीरो हो जाएगा इसका. एंड so let's see, at the point A, the object is stationary. That is, the initial velocity is zero. Okay, kinetic energy is half mv square, or half mu square is equal to zero. Potential energy U is equal to mgh. We all know that what is potential energy. Potential energy is equal to, potential energy को U से हम denote करते हैं, U is equal to mgh. Now let the velocity of the object be vb, and the object has fallen through the distance x using third equation of motion. We have v square b is equal to 0 plus 2gx. Now, okay, v square is equal to u square plus 2as की जो फॉर्मूला थी, हम वो यहाँ पे पुट कर रहे हैं. ओके, v स्क्वायर भी अभी क्या बोला जा रहा है कि बाद में जो उसकी वेलोसिटी है वो v b मान लिया गया है. v, लेट द पॉइंट सी द पॉइंट b. वेयर इज द पॉइंट b? दिस इज द पॉइंट बी, ओके. यहाँ से वो जब वो मिडल में पहुंचे तो उसकी वेलोसिटी v, यहाँ की जो वेलोसिटी है वो हम v मान रहे हैं, v क्योंकि b पॉइंट की वेलोसिटी हम ले रहे हैं, ओके. v b, v b. अब आफ्टर एक्स डिस्टेंस, और इस डिस्टेंस को एक्स मान लिया गया है, क्योंकि बॉडी ऑब्जेक्ट जो था इनिशियली ए एच हाइट पे रखी हुई थी। अब हम इसको मिडिल केस में देख रहे हैं कि चलो सपोज एक्स हाइट पे उसका मिडिल हाइट है, एक्स हाइट पे वी बी वेलोसिटी थी। तो हाउ वी कैन फाइंड इट, अगर वी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस टू ए एस, ए तो हम यहाँ लेंगे नहीं बिकॉज द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्सेस अकरिंग, एस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट, एक्स डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है, v स्क्वायर u तो जीरो था। ओके, सो इन दिस वे v स्क्वायर b इक्वल टू 2gx, काइनेटिक एनर्जी इक्वल टू k इक्वल टू हाफ एम वी वी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एम जी एक्स। ओके, अंडरस्टूड, because mgx x is equal to what, h minus x, you can also write the h minus x. Okay, v square का जब हम you, when you will put the formula ना यहाँ from here, you will get this one mgx। यहाँ पे जब आप 2gx यहाँ पे लिखोगे ना, 2 will cancel and mgx you will get, और mgx की जगह पे भी h minus x आप लिख सकते हो। Now at the point C, let the velocity of the object be vc and the object has fallen through a distance h। Using third equation again, 2gh v square b is equal to 2gh। ओके, यहाँ पे x की जगह h हो गया है नथिंग, बिकॉज ओके, सो काइनेटिक एनर्जी k इक्वल टू हाफ एम वी सी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एम जी एच, क्योंकि हाइट अगेन वही है। सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इक्वल टू जीरो। हेंस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन और सेकंड इक्वेशन में आप देखोगे कि दोनों इक्वेशन सेम है, राइट। u इक्वल टू एम जी एच हमें पहले भी मिला, u इक्वल टू एम जी एच माइनस एक्स हमें मिला, और एम जी एच यहाँ पे भी मिला। We see that potential energy of an object at point A has transformed to its kinetic energy at point C. Thus, it can be concluded that the kinetic energy of a freely falling object on reaching the ground is nothing but the transformation of its potential energy। हमने बार बार काइनेटिक एनर्जी की जगह पे अगर उसको उसके एच के वैल्यू को पुट किया, सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग द सेम थिंग एम जी एच एट द एवरी पॉइंट। हाफ एम वी, आपने यहाँ पे देखा कि हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर की जगह पे जब हमने v का वैल्यू पुट किया एंड वी कैंसल्ड एवरीथिंग एंड वी गॉट अगेन द एम जी एक्स, दैट इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। सो इन दिस वे इट इज प्रूफ दैट काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज नथिंग, इट्स द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ potential energy only। Okay, so with this we are going to end this class here only. In next class we will discuss the more question and answers, so till the time keep revising all the points. Thank you, bye bye।